Ever wish you could get Garmin Fenix level ruggedness without remortgaging your life? Today, we're sizing up the Amazfit T-Rex 3 Pro to see if it's the bargain hunter's answer to the Fenix 8 Pro. In this video, I'll walk you through the design and durability, the real outdoor features that matter, how it compares on performance and sensors, and the one number that will make you sit up and listen. Stick around because the price might be the plot twist you did not expect. On paper, the T-Rex 3 Pro looks like a serious outdoor watch, and Zepp Health didn't play around. It comes in 44mm and 48mm sizes, with a grade 5 titanium alloy case and a scratch-resistant sapphire glass display. The smaller model is pleasantly light, and the bigger one still manages to feel heftily premium without being a brick. Peak brightness can hit up to 3000 nits, so outdoor visibility is promised. And there's even a dual-color LED flashlight tucked into the chassis. Ruth Croft, the ultra runner who won UTMB in France recently, put it through real trials, and that kind of endorsement matters when a watch is marketed for serious outdoors use. This is built to take places most smartwatches would politely decline. Water resistance is rated to 10 atmospheres, and it's safe for freediving down to 45 meters. It will operate in freezing conditions as cold as -30 degrees Celsius. Dual-band GPS and offline maps are on board for reliable navigation, and Amazfit packs over 180 sport modes, so it's not just a one-trick pony. Battery life is where this gets interesting. The 44mm model promises around 17 days in typical use and about 26 hours when GPS mode is on. The 48mm model pushes that to about 25 days normal and roughly 38 hours with GPS. Those numbers make multi-day adventures a lot less stressful. Amazfit are serious about sensors now. The watch supports dual-band satellite tracking and integrates with the broader Amazfit system, including optional tools like the Helio strap for advanced training data and improved PPG accuracy. The T-Rex 3 Pro uses an AMOLED screen rather than a micro LED, so it might not match the absolute display tech found on some Garmin devices, but for most users, an AMOLED with very high brightness is more than adequate and looks great. It pairs with iOS and Android through the Zepp app and connects over Bluetooth. Here's the kicker. The T-Rex 3 Pro is priced at $400, which undercuts many rivals that play in the same premium outdoor space. That price makes it a compelling option if you want titanium durability, long battery life, solid GPS, and a robust feature set without paying Garmin Premium. Amazfit's recent track record, solid, well-reviewed watches at very different price points, suggests the company is dialing in both hardware and software improvements fast. If you care about performance per dollar, this is the sort of product you take seriously. So is the Amazfit T-Rex 3 Pro the best Fenix 8 Pro alternative? If you want top-tier materials, long battery life, reliable GPS, and a price that does not make you wince, it is a strong contender. If you are deeply invested in Garmin's ecosystem, need micro-LED level display tech, or demand certain pro-athlete features, Garmin may still hold the edge. For most people who want a rugged, well-built outdoor watch without the premium tax, the T-Rex 3 Pro is exactly the sort of disruptor we like to see. Drop your thoughts in the comments. Would you pick titanium and savings, or the full Garmin suite? And if you enjoyed this breakdown, like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss the full hands on when we get one in the studio.